Let's keep it going.
All right. This next one, I'm going to yak for a second because our high saxophone player needs to switch horns and mic placement because he has the melody in this whole tune. And I wrote a sacrilegiously difficult melody for him and the guitar and the piano to play in unison because I have no self-control. So this one, this next tune is called Limbic Cascade. This one was very much inspired and influenced by the late, great Wayne Shorter, who left us about 10 days ago. 9 or 10 days ago. For those of you who are out of the loop, Wayne Shorter was one of the all-time greats of the jazz community, great saxophone player, great composer.
We should all raise a beverage. Back here,
Yep.
Everyone in the kitchen, to Wayne Shorter, is that
Wayne
right?
Shorter, that's correct.
All right, to Wayne, here we go.
To Wayne. Lived a very long, very full, very successful life, and was putting out fantastic music all the way to the end. I think just about every jazz musician in the past 70 years has been influenced by Wayne in some capacity, so this tune in many ways is my tip of the hat to him. Limbic Cascade. All right, thanks for coming on a journey with us.
Yeah, unreal, man.
One more tip of
Thank
that.
you.
Thank you. One more tip of the hat to Wayne Shorter, everybody.
To Wayne. Yeah, Wayne.